Now that we've gone ahead and captured our video, we're going to go ahead and go into the QuikScout Volleyball program and start breaking that video down. So I open up the program and I click Digital Editing and Scouting. It takes me into the program. Now I've already got one game broken down here, but I want to create a new one because of the video that I just captured. So I'll go ahead and hit New. It's going to tell me to select the digital file that I just captured. So I'll hit OK, and I'll browse to on my computer where that video is, and I'll hit Open. And now when it opens up, I'm going to have the video playing here on the right side. I'm going to have the data entry fields here on the left side, along with my custom keyboards button down here on the right, on the bottom left. So what we do is we get it to the beginning of the first play, and we'll say it's right here. She's got the ball. She's getting ready to serve. I'll go ahead and hit Begin, and it's going to pull this time code in. So you're kind of marking when that play begins. All right. Now we'll go ahead and let it run to the end of this particular play. And the play is over. I'll go ahead and hit End. And now that I'm marked from beginning to end, I can just mark what happened during that play. So the team that I'm scouting, they served. The server will say was number 25. It was an underhand serve. Now these buttons that I'm clicking are custom keyboards buttons, meaning you can go in ahead of time. There's actually 24 of them here for each one of these fields, so you can go in and you can add your own terminology. So if you have different types of serves, you know, your different jersey numbers, if you have, you know, we've got some results in here, but if you've got extra stuff you want to put in, you know, things that you know you may want to pull back out later as part of a video cut up. All right, so we'll say in this case it was a point. The result type was a, we'll just go with bump. It was hit from, we've got different spots on the floor you could mark. We'll say 3. The hitter was number 13. It was hit to the middle. And was it a highlight? You know, if you want to put jersey numbers in there or team highlights in there, maybe so that at the end of the season you can pull out highlights, you can use that field there to put your highlight jerseys in. Alright, so that would be how you do the first play. So now what we do is we would just push the unpause button here, get it to the beginning of the next play, and we'll pause it here again. And now I'm going to hit the double arrow. Currently I'm on play 1 of 1, so if I hit the double arrow, it'll move me to play 2 of 2. And you just do the whole thing over again. We'll go Begin. Okay, it's an overhand serve this time. And there's your point. So we'll stop it. We'll hit End, and you just do the whole thing over again. This time a team we're doing is serving again. You know, the server was the same person. It was an overhand serve, and so on and so forth. So you would just go through and you would mark, you know, whatever plays you wanted to mark throughout the game, so that later on you could actually make video cut-ups from them. When we're finished, you know, we got our 30, 40, 50 plays done. We're going to click the X here to close it. It's going to ask us for a name, and we can be pretty descriptive with the name. I'm going to go ahead and just type, you know, us versus them. 2009 is my example. I'll hit OK, and now it takes me back to the main menu, and you can see here's my us versus them, here's my volleyball demo. So these are the games I have so far. And that's how you do data entry.